Hello, train fans. Roy here. Last night I was watching the Community Roundhouse show, which is now on the first Wednesdays of each month, thanks to Sparky allowing them in that time slot. And a conversation came up about running six-axle locomotives on KATO's two smaller radius tracks, the R249, which is 9 3/4 approximately, and the R216, which is approximately 8.5 inch radius. And I said that I had run six axles on them and didn't have problems, and I wanted to show it so that people could trust what I had said. So I'm going to run several of my six axle locomotives around on both of these. In sequence, I'll just do a bunch of clips one after another here. And I'm going to run them at a couple different speeds, one of which will be probably really fast, just to show it can go really fast. It's above scale speed, but it's just part of the demonstration. So anyway, enjoy the clips as they go by. Starting off with the KATO SD70 ACE. And as you can see, I've loaded up a few cars just to make it a better test / demonstration, including a couple of auto racks, which are, I believe, my longest cars. These are truck-mounted couplers, which is the only way they could make it around these tight curves. But it's still an interesting demonstration. A lot of passenger cars would work similarly as long as they were truck-mounted couplers also. So I'm gonna run this train, and then I've got several other locomotives that I will put on the R249, which is the 9 3/4 that we're looking at now, and then I'll do a sequence of clips showing the same locomotives running on the inner track with a train behind it as well. So here we go at really high speed. So 4 different brands of six-axle locomotives all worked on the 9 3/4. So I figured let's try some 8-axle locos. This is a Concord U50 in Burlington Northern. It's DC only, but it does run. I'll be upgrading it to DCC later. Yeah, looks like it makes it around those curves just fine. Let it go a few laps faster. Oh, there you go. An 8-axle U50 works just fine on 9 7/4 or 9 3/4. So since that one worked, let's try a DD40 AX or DDA 40X, depending on who you talk to. This is a Bachmann with sound. Okay. Starting off slow just because this is a bit extreme. But looks promising. The design of this loco has the couplers on the trucks, so it helps a lot for going around those sharp curves. Let's see if it'll go a little faster. Yep. Pretty crazy, huh? 8-axle DDA 40X going around 9 3/4 curves. Okay, I've transferred everything to the inner track with the 8.5 inch curves, the KATO R216, and we'll run through the locos again this time. I'll go a little quicker, less talking and more just showing them go. And yes, the auto racks do make it around these tight curves. It looks quite silly with them overhanging so far, but the truck mounted couplers allow them to still stay connected and run through. Although the loco is, cab mounted, not truck mounted, but all the cars are. Yep, even backwards.